Morning students, today we are continuing lesson number 4, word processor. As we discussed that word processors are software used for typing purpose, and in that yesterday we studied that Microsoft Word 2010 is a nowadays a popular word processor. So today we will study how we will start the Microsoft Word 2010. Then we will discuss how can we enter a text in a document, how can we select the text in a document, and how can we insert the additional text in a document. Here first we are starting with the topic how to start Microsoft Word 2010. For that, first we will click on the start button. As we all are familiar that on desktop there is a taskbar and left side of taskbar there is a start button. So first click on the start button, then a list will appear. In that list we will select all programs, and when we click on the all programs we will see various options are coming. In that we will click on the Microsoft Office option, and when you click on the Microsoft Office option, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, other office package softwares will come. In that we will click on the Microsoft Word 2010, and when we click on the Microsoft Word 2010, Microsoft Word window will appear. As we discussed, Word window also known as a Word interface, and then we can do our work in Microsoft Word. Now, as we have opened the Word window, what we will do, we will enter the text. So for entering the text, what we have to do, just we will place the cursor and start typing. आपको डॉक्यूमेंट में कहीं भी टाइपिंग करना है तो जस्ट क्लिक विद द माउस एंड प्लेस द कर्सर एंड स्टार्ट typing. So this way we can enter text, we can write poem, we can write letter, we can write story, we can write question answers. We can do our work in Microsoft Word, work that are related with typing. जो भी typing work है वो हम Word में easily कर सकते हैं. Children, in Microsoft Word, if you want to start a new paragraph, we press the enter key. जब भी हम enter key press कर देते हैं तो we insert a new paragraph. But if you want to insert a line in the same paragraph, then we have to press shift plus enter key. Please remember, whenever we are typing, if we press enter key to come to the next line, we actually insert a new paragraph. जब भी हम टाइपिंग कर रहे हैं और हम एंटर प्रेस कर देते हैं तो हम न्यू लाइन एंटर नहीं करते, हम न्यू पैराग्राफ एंटर कर लेते हैं. अगर हमें न्यू लाइन एंटर करना है इन अ सेम पैराग्राफ, then what we will do, we will press shift plus enter key. Please remember this. Now what happened, see, when we are typing we find out that when we are typing and text is not coming in the same line, it automatically comes to the next line. That feature is known as a word wrap feature. जब आप टाइपिंग कर रहे हैं, इंसर्ट कर रहे हैं और आपका टेक्स्ट लाइन के एंड तक आ जाता है, इट इज़ नॉट कमिंग इन द सेम लाइन, so it automatically come to the next line in the left side, and this feature known as a word wrap feature. See, in this example, after like word, report word cannot come, है ना, so it automatically comes to the next line left side. Or please also see, in this picture vertical line is also coming after report. That is a cursor or insertion point. Whenever we type, cursor shift to the right side. जब भी हम टाइपिंग करते हैं cursor right side में shift होता रहता है. Next work. After inserting text, if we want to do some editing, we have to select the text in our document. Okay children, and what is the meaning of editing? Editing means making changes in the text. Like we can copy text, we can move text from one place to another place. Even if you want to find or replace any text, we have to select the text. We want to delete any word, we want to format our text to make it attractive. So for all this purpose we need to select the text. So now we will learn how can we select the text in a document. Okay, see, when we said we will select the text, how text will appear? It will appear in a highlighted bar. As you can see in this picture, I have selected MS Word, a word processor software used to. तो देखो ये highlighted bar में show हो रहा है because it is a selected text. So this way we can find out that whether we have selected in a proper way or not. Now, how to select the text? To select the text, the simplest way with the help of mouse is that first of all, place the cursor to the left of the text, press left mouse button and hold down it. Okay, don't release, है ना? And then drag the mouse to the right side of the text and then leave the left mouse button without clicking. This way we can select the text. Please again listen. कर्सर को टेक्स्ट के लेफ्ट साइड में रखिए, प्रेस द लेफ्ट माउस बटन, होल्ड डाउन इट, है ना, डोंट रिलीज द बटन, आपकी फिंगर वहीं रहनी चाहिए. एंड द सेम टाइम यू टेक द माउस, ड्रैग इट टू द राइट साइड एंड स्लोली लीव द फिंगर, release the left mouse button, don't click it. This way we can select the text. We can select the text from left to right also, right to left also, top to bottom also and bottom to top also. It is our choice. Now children, to select a word we have another way, that is simply double click on the word. If you want to select any particular word, just double click on it, the word can be selected. And to select the paragraph, complete paragraph, simply you don't have to take the mouse and drag it to first line to the last line. Simply triple click in the paragraph, the whole paragraph can be easily selected. We can also select with the help of keyboard keys. Suppose we cannot select properly with the mouse, then we can use shift and arrow keys. As you know, there are 4 arrow keys on a keyboard: left arrow key, right arrow key, top arrow key and down arrow key. So with the help of these arrow keys and shift key, it is easy for us to select a text. How can we do this? First of all, we will place the cursor to the left of the text and we will press the shift key continuously. We don't have to release it, okay? And with the same time, press arrow keys from left to right or right to left. And when you select your text completely, simply release both the keys. This way you can also select your text with the help of keyboard keys. Now children, there are some shortcut keys also. With the help of those shortcut keys, you can quickly select the text like Ctrl plus A. If you simply just come in a document and press Ctrl and A together, plus means together, then you will find out entire document will be selected. Suppose आपके document में 8 pages हैं और आपको all 8 pages का content select करना है, तो you don't have to use mouse and keyboard. Simply you press Ctrl and A key together and the complete document text will be selected. Now there are other shift keys also we can use for selection, like shift plus home key. If we press shift and home key together, first press shift key, hold it and then press home key. So what happened? The text will be selected from the current position of cursor to the beginning of line. जहाँ पर भी अभी आपका कर्सर है लाइन में, वहाँ से लेके लाइन के स्टार्टिंग तक का मैटर ऑटोमेटिकली आप सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. शिफ्ट प्लस एंड की, it is a opposite working of a shift plus home key working. If we want to select the text from the current position to the end of the line, then we will use shift and end key together. Please remember, in case of shortcut keys, first we will press the shift key and then without releasing it we will press end key. हमें shift key को छोड़ना नहीं है, हमें उसे continuously press रखना है and then we will use home key and end key. Okay, so with the help of shortcut keys also we can select our text and we can do editing work. Next topic is how to insert text in a document. Children, once we have written our text in the document, now if you want to add some new text, so we can also do this work very easily. For this, what we have to do, we will just place the cursor on the to the right side of the character and we will start typing. In that case, what happened? Existing text will automatically shift it to the right side and new text can be easily placed. Okay, see in this picture, there is a line written, vertical blinking line in a document area is cursor. Now we want to place a new word called. So what we can do, we will place the cursor after S in is and then we start typing called and automatically cursor word will shift to the right side. ये दोनों words is और cursor मैंने आपके लिए highlight कर रखे हैं. अगर हमें इसके बाद call type करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, first we will click with the mouse right side of the S in is and then we start typing called. Automatically cursor word will shift to the right side and this way we can insert a new text in our existing text. Our topics are over today and this is the assignment for you to do neatly. Okay, first question is write the name of components of Word interface. Second question is write any 3 features of Microsoft Word. Third question is what is Word wrap feature. Fourth is write about quick access toolbar. Please do carefully. Thank you.